In this video, we're going to go over a question that came up for the list use case where we are creating a task tracker for a senior manager. In this scenario, my client wanted to customize the task card on the board view, but some of the columns were missing. The question is, how do we make the columns show up? To answer that, we're going to look at the whole process of customizing the card. When a board view is created, Microsoft Lists will show a few pieces of information on the task card. Then, when you click on it, this is called the form. On the form, you can see the details for each column. You can customize the card to show any of this information without drilling down. To do that, click the drop down next to the view name and select Customize Card. In this scenario, the type of tasking, task priority, and deadline are displayed. You can add or remove the check marks next to each column name to change what you see. For example, I can add the status. However, we noticed that some of the columns from the raw data view were not on the card designer list. So the question is, how can you add that information if it's not on the list? We're going to close the card designer and click the drop down and this time select add or remove fields. These are all of the columns associated with this list. Anything that has a check mark next to it is showing up in the form. Everything else is hidden. The two that we were looking for in this scenario were priority, rationale, and deliverable. So we need to add a check mark next to each one of them and then click apply so that they're available not only in the form view where you can now see priority, rationale, and deliverable, but it will also become available on the card designer. So let's go back to the drop down and select customize card. And in this scenario, we wanted the manager to be able to see the deliverable without having to open the card. So if you're trying to customize a view in Microsoft Lists and you're missing a field, just click the drop down and go to add or remove fields and make sure that everything that you want to see has a check mark next to it.